tiny hand appears. Listen. Hear it?
Yes! How is that happening?
Appearing hand, disappearing hand. Empty hand, make candy just magically appear. What's good? Welcome back to How to Match. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 easy magic tricks that you can do.
Very easy.
So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. Okay, I'm going to prove to you you have 11 fingers. Hold up your hands like this. You have 11 fingers. Check this out. 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, 9 8, 10 8, 11 8.
Do it again.
1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, 9 8, 10 8, 11 8. You have 11 fingers.
How does that work?
I don't know. You tell me. You have 11 fingers.
Do it again.
1 8, 2 8,
Okay.
3 8, 4
Yes,
8, 5
yes,
8, 6
yes,
8, 7
yes,
8, 9 8, 10
yes.
8, 11 8.
How is that happening?
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. So this is really simple. All you need is a volunteer. You're gonna have them hold up all 10 fingers, and this is all about how you count. The 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, 9 8, 10 8 system. That is what tricks people's minds into believing that they have 11 fingers. So the way that works is you're just skipping the 8. Since you're saying 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, 9 8, you should actually be saying 8 8 right here, but you're skipping that 8, and because you're saying 8 so many times, people don't pick up on it. So that's how you get to 11 fingers. Some people are gonna pick up on it the first time you do it, but some people are never gonna pick up on it. They're gonna be completely fooled. And you can do this over and over and they'll still be like, how do I have 11 fingers?
I'm missing something.
Okay, V, for this trick, you're gonna be blindfolded. Okay, can you see anything?
Like this. No.
Okay, perfect. I have a pack of matches.
Oh!
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, you're gonna hear the match light.
Oh, Evan.
Don't burn yourself.
Hold on.
Don't burn yourself.
Evan.
You're gonna hear it light, listen. Hear it?
Yes! Stop! Put it near me!
Do you smell the match? Do you smell it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hold out your arm.
No!
Just, I'm gonna.
Would you do that? What is that? Stop! What is that, Evan? Stop!
Take
It's
your
cold.
blindfold off. It's ice. Okay, here is the explanation of how to do the magic matchstick and ice switch. So this is a really cool trick. It actually works on a lot of different principles. It works on scientific principles, principles of psychology, and it's also a classic illusion in that you're using someone's senses against them into believing that something happened when it really didn't. So let me break down how this actually works. First off, what you'll need. You're going to need some matches, and you're gonna take one out of the pack and light it once the person is blindfolded. Now we actually use a blindfold from EvanEraTV.com. It's our magic blindfold that you can actually see through, but we had it in a position where Veronica could not see through it. So you need the blindfold, you need someone to participate with you, you're going to need a pack of matches, and you're going to need some ice, just a piece of ice. So while they are blindfolded, you're going to take out the matches. Helps if you kind of like shake the box. Everybody knows the sound of a shaking matchbox. And then you're going to take the match while they're blindfolded and strike it. It's a very distinct sound too. And you say to them, can you hear the match light? And that's playing on their sense of hearing. So they hear the match, they hear it light, and then you're going to shake it out so that it starts smoking like this, and you're gonna kind of wave it underneath their nose and say, can you smell it? Now this is playing on their sense of smell. So we've got the sense of sound, the sense of smell. They might even be able to taste the sulfur of the smoke. Now because you've cut off their visual stimuli, they can't see anything, they're only going off the senses that they have. So then you're going to take a piece of ice that you've had sitting by, have them hold out their arm, and as you touch the piece of ice to their arm, it's going to feel like the hot tip of the match. So a lot of this is because of that buildup with the other senses, but it's also because of a special thing that happens with your brain. The brain can actually not tell the difference between extreme cold and extreme heat. Like if you've ever drawn a bath and the water's really hot, when you first put your foot in, it's kind of hard to tell the difference if it's really hot or really cold. Because at first, your brain cannot tell the difference between those two extremes. It takes a second for that message to get relayed from your skin up your nerve endings to your brain. There's a lot of different things working together to create this illusion that also is kind of a funny prank, because when they yank off the blindfold thinking that you burn them, they're gonna see that it's just a piece of ice, the complete opposite, and totally harmless. So try that at home and fool your friends and family. Okay, check this out. Empty hands. Watch. If I just hold my hands like this, it looks like a tiny hand appears and it's just magically waving. See it there? Watch. Just as quickly as it appears, it vanishes. Okay, here is the secret to the tiny waving hand trick. This is a super tiny fake hand. We have these available at evaneratv.com, and I'm giving a bunch of these away at the end of the video, so all you have to do is leave a comment and like the video and you can win one. So all you need is a piece of straw and some tape, and you're just gonna tape this in place on the back of your thumb. So from this angle you cannot see it whatsoever, but all you have to do to make it appear is just flip your thumb up like this and then wave it back and forth to make it look like the hand is waving. And then to make it disappear, all you have to do is extend your hand out and make sure your audience is viewing it from the front angle. So appearing hand, disappearing hand. Okay, watch. Empty hand. Make candy just magically appear from your hand. Okay, the Skittles trick. This one is super simple. All you're gonna need is a hand and some candy. So obviously you wanna do this preparation before the trick starts. You're gonna set this up before you ever present it to an audience. And you wanna start out by just laying your hand flat like this, and you wanna put your fingers together. Once your fingers are closed, by taking the Skittles and tucking them into the gaps in your fingers, the space right between here. Just work them in there, just like that. And you're gonna kinda use the existing skin on your fingers to wedge them in there. You wanna fill up the gaps and folds completely, just like this. This is what the back side of your hand is going to look like. But from the front, it looks totally normal, like there's nothing in your hand. This trick really relies on the angle that your audience views it from. If they see it from the back side, obviously you're going to expose the secret. But if you see it from the front, it creates a very convincing illusion that your hands are empty, and then you can simply reach up in the air and grab some candy. Makes it look like it just magically appears from nowhere. Really easy, really fun trick to do. Very little practice required once you've done the setup. It's a simple and magical way to produce a trick and a treat at the same time. Okay, check this out. V, take it away. V? Where'd she go? If you're a longtime viewer of this channel, you know what this is. It is a model rocket detonator. This is how you launch a model rocket, so we use these to set off pyrotechnic charges like black powder. This is your little starter right here. It's like an electronic fuse. This is kind of the safest DIY way to detonate pyrotechnics without having a professional setup. You're gonna clip your leads on just like this. You can see that it's armed and ready to go by pressing this key down, which arms it. And then to detonate it, all you do is press this button, and you can hide this underneath the pile of black powder. You can bury the cord underneath the ground so that it's hidden and your audience doesn't see it. It's a great way to produce a smoke effect, make it seem like a poof of smoke just appears from nowhere, and it's great for a vanish. So you just press this button and the detonator ignites. See it just flame up like that, and that's all you need to ignite the black powder. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it as well. We make a new how-to magic video just like this one every single week on this channel, so subscribe if you're new. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and be sure to check out evaneratv.com. That is our online shop. We have a lot of really cool magic tricks that you can't find anywhere else. We also have international shipping available on everything in the shop, so no matter where you are in the world, you can get a box of magic shipped to your door. As you guys know, we've always had the red and blue standard bicycle cards on the shop. We also now have black cards available as well. These are just standard bicycle cards in a black back design instead of red or blue. They add a nice kind of sleek, almost spooky element. Again, the link for the shop is in the description down below or at evaneratv.com. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away away 5 decks of our brand new black playing cards and 5 packs of our Magic Tiny Fake Hands. All you have to do to win the giveaway, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with which trick was your favorite. I'll be going through the comments section, reading all of your comments and picking 10 lucky winners and mailing out the magic to you. Okay guys, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Send an email with your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Until next time, you can check out more episodes of How to Magic at this playlist right up here. And remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.